everyone. Good morning and welcome to Cat King. This is Anisha here, your guide and mentor for all the non-cat exams. And hope all of you guys have been following the channel and being benefited with respect to all exam strategies, information about all the colleges. Anything that you would like us to take up more, drop in the comments and we shall take it up ahead for you guys for sure. Today's video is on the request of a lot of students who are asking जीके क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, कब पढ़ना है और क्या नहीं पढ़ना है, क्योंकि जीके इज लाइक एन ओशन. यू हैव प्लेथोरा ऑफ टॉपिक्स, क्वेश्चंस, कुछ भी रैंडमली आ सकता है, राइट? सो इम्पॉर्टेंटली वी हैव टू स्टडी जीके फॉर IIFT. Then comes your ZAT, TISNET, MyCat, CMAT, right? 5 exams where we have to study GK for, right? Now, if you understand, all of these exams have certain topics which are very common, like books and authors, awards and honors, top company CEOs, recent mergers and acquisitions, then your awards में Nobel laureates भी पढ़ लेना, that's also a category of awards. Sports में anything major which has happened recently. These are all things which are very peculiar and common topics from static GK. Then current affairs तो आता ही सब exams में 6 months to 1 year का current affairs you should be aware of, right? In addition to that, each of these exams have certain typical type of questions which come. Okay, like for example, let's talk about all the 5 exams. IIFT में कुछ foreign trade, business terms of export, exchange, these type of questions. Then any major recent bilateral treaty or something which has been signed in the business space, that comes, or economic space. So that is typically IIFT. फिर कुछ offbeat questions भी आ जाते हैं. Like I remember they had once asked, मेरे time पे जब मैंने IIFT लिखा था, was first movie of Rani Mukherjee. तो ये नहीं आपको पता हो सकता है. So there can be offbeat questions. But the point is, GK में सारे questions आपको attempt करने भी नहीं हैं. Correct? So what you know, you know. What you don't know, ignore. Your objective is हमें हर एग्जाम में जीके का सेक्शनल कट ऑफ क्लियर करनी है, राइट? So for that, we'll give you a list of topics you should study. So I'll share that with you at the end of it. So make sure you watch the video right till the end. This was about IIFT. Now, if I talk about your MyCat. MyCat में peculiar questions जो आने ही हैं is marketing based. Marketing terms, brands, logos, taglines, for sure coming. Brand ambassadors, then with respect to advertising campaigns, and a little bit of your common sense or awareness about what is happening in the branding and marketing industry. So those kind of details, that's MICA specific. Then we come to TISNET. TISNET में social GK बहुत आता है. तो any social issues and problems, events, major crises like your climate change, climate report which had come, what is the UN doing, what is the motto or the theme of various UN summits which is there. So a lot to do with the society, the governance, the rules and laws being passed, the bills and all of these things at an national and international level. That's TISNET. ZAT is a lot about economics and finance and your business GK. So business GK जितना आता है ना वो आता है आपके in your ZAT. Last is my CMAT exam. CMAT में आपकी स्टैटिक जीके में थोड़े से कन्वेंशनल वाले जो हमारे बुक्स, ऑथर्स, मर्जर्स, एक्विजिशंस, टॉप सीईओज, स्पोर्ट्स, इनके क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. करंट अफेयर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी काफ़ी सारे आते हैं. देन अ लॉट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस लाइक कैपिटल, करेंसी, ये वाले क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. देन दोज फ्लैग्स, दीज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो ये सारे टॉपिक्स आपको पढ़ने पड़ते हैं. दैट इज़ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर जीके peculiarly for all of these exams. What I'll do is I'll quickly show you guys an entire understanding of GK for various exams. What we have done is there is this Cat King GK zone section which is available in all your non-CAT exam courses. You can take the combined course which is for all non-CAT exams, or in your respective courses of IIFT, MICA, ZAT, TIS, CMAT. सब हमने एनालाइज किया है पिछले साल के पेपर्स ईयर वाइज. ये देखो कितने सारे ईयर्स के क्या क्या टॉपिक्स आए थे इन 2018, 20, 2018 to 2020. सारे में क्या क्या क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे, so that we know the types of questions which come in, what does not come. Basis that entire analysis, the entire GK zone is made, which consists of ebooks, which will help you for your static GK, where we are studying. These are the topics which are common for all the exams: awards and honors, top CEOs, books and authors, mergers and acquisitions, sports. Then, in the business and economy segment, we have the books on brands and their taglines, all the government schemes, banks in India, stock exchanges in the world, agricultural producing countries, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी discussion में आता है since agriculture is the most important sector for our GDP. Then your international organizations, rankings in various indexes, GDP, your brand ambassadors, import export of India, taxes of India, magazine heads, and all of them. With all of these books, you will also have in the brackets, you can see written must do for MyCat, must do for IIFT. ये मतलब इन एग्जाम्स में ज़्यादा प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि ये क्वेश्चंस आए आपको, right? So like this, all the books are classified. First category was the must do books. Second was our business and economy. Third is our art and culture, where we study all the UNESCO, dance forms, musicals, science, symbols, ये सारी चीज़ें. Then we talk about your geography and history, जिसमें कभी कभी आते हैं the longest river, the first this, first that, so all the firsts in the world, Indian history based things, epics and Vedas, then all of these things which come in various exams. Then we come to the category of politics and international relations, जहाँ पे सारे correct national emblems, capitals, currencies of various countries and states which are there. Then also some kind of acts and bills which are passed, and the Constitution of India based questions, all of those things. Then comes our science and tech category, where we study the various inventions and missiles and जो science and technology में नया नया हो रहा है, so we can expect those questions. And then we have the miscellaneous topics, where we study fathers of various fields, autobiographies of famous people, and all of these things. So these are all 56 ebooks for your static GK, which is going to cover for all the exams GK preparation. In addition to these 56 static GK books, you have a monthly GK compendium for each and every month, consolidated with pointers to read and questions, so that you know किस type के questions भी हमें पूछे जा सकते हैं, right? Because it's difficult to understand what can be a GK question. You know what happened in the scenario, what happened in COVID, but question क्या आ सकता है, right? So such questions are formed so that you guys have a fair idea about it. You have sectional tests for each and every exam category, so that उस type के questions का आप combine करके test दो, तो माइका का टेस्ट कैसे लगेगा, सीमैट का टेस्ट कैसे लगेगा. सो यू हैव ऑल ऑफ योर रिस्पेक्टिव सेक्शनल जीके टेस्ट्स, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट वी हैव योर वीकली करंट अफेयर्स वीडियो लेक्चर्स एज वेल, सो दैट यू हैव, अगर आपसे रीड करके बोर हो गए हो तो वो वीकली अपडेट्स की वीडियो सुन लो and get a fair idea about all of the must do topics which we spoke about. So उसके related जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं in each and every week, watch those videos. So if you guys are doing all of these things, trust me, GK is sorted for all exams, right? When should we start studying GK? यार तुम अभी थोड़ी books start कर सकते हो for reading purpose, like if you enjoy. So every weekend pick up one topic, one book, start reading. Full throttle, CAT खत्म हो जाने दो, उसके बाद करना. People who are not studying for CAT, well, yes, you can start spending at least 30 minutes every day for your GK from today itself. And those who are like confident in your CAT and you want a little break, so instead of chilling, you can start reading GK relevant things so that it helps you. Alright, so this is how you should start preparing for your GK. A good practice which you should do is, if you're reading a lot of newspapers for building your reading speed, हर उसमें कोई तो भी news आई है, उसके आप facts लिखते जाया करो in a book. Make your own diary, all the facts, and start writing your opinion also. Your opinion writing will help you further ahead in your GDPI preparation. पर अगर अभी से हम शुरू करेंगे तो तब भी help करेगा. So make a diary in which all the news that you read from various newspapers, उसके सब facts and figures लिख लो, like a quick summary, and your opinion. What do you feel about it? What do you think? What's your judgment on whatever the situation or the news is? Okay, so I hope this helps you guys and gives you got a good idea about GK preparation. Let's gear up for all the non-CAT exams preparation. Check out the non-CAT links. If you guys are well prepared for all the exams, but GK is just your pain area, GK course भी है खाली, तो आप वो ले सकते हो, so that we make sure we sail through the GK exam in GK section in every exam. All right, all the best. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.